Before sunrise, our photography group was taken to Lefferts Pond in Chittenden, Vermont. The picturesque destination is nestled within the Green Mountain National Forest. I was surrounded by dense forests and rolling hills with calm, clear waters reflecting like a mirror. A great spot to soak up and immerse oneself in Vermont's natural charm. The stone bridge on the pathway's arch design showcases classic craftsmanship, with the stones carefully fitted to create a sturdy visual structure. Breakfast was at the Back Country Café in Killington, Vermont, known for its comforting and hearty breakfast and brunch offerings. The pancakes, waffles, and banana bread French toast are served with the best Vermont maple syrup. Now that our bellies were full, Khem, our group leader, took us to the Thundering Brook Falls, a stunning and easily accessible waterfall in Killington. The waterfall drops approximately 140 feet, making it one of Vermont's tallest cascading waterfalls that flow down a series of rocky ledges, creating a multi-tiered cascade. During peak flow, the water thunders incredibly, hence the name. The falls are part of the Appalachian Trail and can be reached via a short, well-maintained boardwalk trail. This trail is leading to the falls, passes through a serene wetland area, offering opportunities for birdwatching and enjoying the surrounding natural habitat. We next headed to Woodstock, Vermont, a town that serves as a gateway to the best foliage routes. Getting out to explore the town, I headed first to the Middle Covered Bridge, a charming and iconic structure in the heart of Woodstock. Spanning the Zautcke River, it adds a touch of classic New England charm to this attractive town. Built in 1969, it reproduces traditional 19th century covered bridge architecture to reflect the area's historic character. I did spend time exploring the shops and absorbing all the colorful characteristics of the town. We next moved on to the Tattsville Covered Bridge, one of Vermont's oldest and most iconic covered bridges in Woodstock, spanning the Zautcke River. Built in 1836, it is one of Vermont's oldest remaining covered bridges and a fine example of the early 19th century American bridge engineering. We next moved to the Pletchy Covered Bridge, a historic and picturesque landmark in Pletchy, Vermont, spanning the Zautcke River, located in the heart of Pletchy Village. Constructed in 1970, the bridge was built to replicate the style of 19th century covered bridges, blending seamlessly into the area's historical charm. Not too far away, we traveled to Pletchy Gorge, often called Vermont's Little Grand Canyon, one of Vermont's most iconic natural landmarks. It is a stunning, narrow gorge carved over thousands of years by the Zautcke River. Located in Pletchy State Park near Hartford, Vermont, the gorge offers breathtaking views from the Route 4 bridge, or the trail along the edge of the gorge leads down to the bottom, offering a closer view of the river and surrounding natural beauty. For our sunset photography, we went to the Guilford Woods State Park, located near Kent Pond in Killington, Vermont, where the trail to the pond is immersed with old-growth forests featuring sugar maples, yellow birches, and hemlocks. Catherine, one of our group members, was so captivated by the setting that she forgot time. We had to locate her and bring her back to the van. Her favorite line is "just one more shot." Farewell dinner was at an upscale restaurant called Southside Steakhouse in Rutland, Vermont. With an inviting atmosphere and exceptional steaks and service, the following day, we helped load the van with all the luggage placed the way it would be coming off as we returned to Burlington, Vermont, and the airport. We stopped for breakfast at Mary's Cafe in West Rutland, Vermont, a local eatery known by its friendly atmosphere, hearty comfort food, and excellent service. The menu features classic comfort foods, including blueberry pancakes, biscuits and gravy, as well as the egg garbage omelet, which I had, and served with toast and home fries. The airport is small, and once we passed through security, VJ and I had lunch with time to kill as we waited for our flights.